An estimated 70,000 people have been displaced by severe floods in Mozambique, according to the United Nations. Severe rains have caused dangerously high sea levels along large parts of the southern African coastline over the past few days. The worst hit area is Gaza province, where the town of Chokwe has been completely submerged. Floodwaters from the Limpopo River have made things worse. Reports say UN aid has yet to reach tens of thousands of people. We don't have any help. We have no food, no tents. We're sleeping outside. So we're appealing for food and shelter. In total, 36 people have been killed by the floods in Mozambique. Several more have died in neighbouring South Africa.